Let's be clear. I'm not a new year, new me kind of guy. New Year's resolutions? They've just never really been my thing. And maybe they should be, because if I'm being honest, maybe my brain is as full of ideas and chaos as my shop is right now. By the time December rolls around, it feels like the last half of the year just piles up in here. Unfinished builds, half-formed ideas, tools everywhere. It's like the bodies of dead Jawas blasted down by a troop of Imperial stormtroopers. Okay, maybe that was a little dark, but you get my point. Now look, resolutions aren't all bad. Maybe this year I swap out a juicy slab of smoked brisket for a salad once in a while. Or maybe 1 or 2 less old fashions in favor of water. And hey, I might just do that. But I'll tell you this, my motto for 2026 isn't New Year, New Me, it's I'm done. I'm done with the obstacles I put in front of myself that block creativity. And you know what that really means? It means I'm done with schedules so tight that nothing ever gets finished the way I want. I'm done building projects because the algorithm suggested. Frankly, I'm done with the algorithm altogether. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. This camo is the plasti dip I'm going to use, and I'm going to have to apply several layers to the bench back there. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those, and then we'll give you a better look. I'm hoping this will improve the color and feel of this whole thing. More importantly, I'm done putting off things I actually want to work on. I'm done letting projects sit half-finished for too long. And I'm done with excuses. Honestly, I think you should be too. Here's the truth that nobody talks about. Most of the limits we complain about, we build them ourselves. We hide behind not enough time, not enough space, not enough skill, not enough views. But if you're honest, really honest, it's usually fear. Fear that it won't turn out the way you imagined. Fear that people won't get it. Fear that you'll put everything into something and it will fail. So we rush, we compromise, and we tell ourselves it's fine. And then we wonder why it doesn't feel as good as it should. I'm done building like that. Hell, I'm done living like that. I want projects that scare me a little. Projects that demand patience. Projects I have no place to put them, but I'm gonna build them anyway. I want projects that take time because they're worth the time. Let me paint a picture for you. Say you've got a project. Let's use this Falcon bench we're working on right now as the example. You spend hours building it. You rush past the planning stage. You sprint through the finishing stages. And when you're done, it's fine. But it's not what you pictured. Maybe the paint didn't get the love it deserved. Maybe one section looks less like Star Wars tech and more like a microwave from 1987.
Dude, what are you doing? I'm making nachos. It's not a microwave, bro.
You sure? Maybe you rushed the whole thing just to get a video out because somewhere along the way, someone told you that if you didn't follow a very specific schedule in a very specific way, the algorithm wouldn't notice you. And if the algorithm doesn't notice you, then all that hard work, both in the build and the edit, might never be seen by anyone. That's me, ignoring one of the biggest questions of all that I should be asking and that you should be asking yourself. Can I even pull this off? And here's the thing, would that really be so bad? No, it wouldn't. So I'm done. I'm done taking shortcuts just to hit an arbitrary schedule. I'm done ignoring massive, awesome builds because they might take an extra week. And I'm done creating content just to feed the beast instead of making kick-ass projects for all of you awesome geeks. So let's be clear about something. This video isn't about us scaling back. It's not about a schedule announcement. I'm not crying about the algorithm, and it's definitely not intended to be me whining. This isn't even really about me or us here at the Smuggler's Room. It's about looking at the years in front of you and making a decision, a statement, that you're done letting things get in your way. I don't care what that thing is. You want to be healthier? Be done with the excuses that keep you out of the gym. You want to get better results at work? Be done accepting no and crush it until all you hear is yes. And yes, If you want to build a better Millennium Falcon bench in your nerd cave, be done letting the Wookiee win and build it the way you want. This can be the moment where you decide you're done settling for less than what you actually want. So go get it, you awesome geek, whatever it is. Build it, fix it, chase it, finish it. Let's be done with anything that keeps us from becoming who we want to be and making the things we've always wanted to make. Oh, and the bench? Yeah, I dig it now. I can finally be done complaining about that, too. Now, whatever it is, go build something out of nothing.